If we want to identify the slope and the y-intercept, ultimately what we're going to do is solve for y. There's two different ways that we could write the line. There's actually three if we have point slope form. One of them is standard form. A number x plus a number y equals a number. So if your x's and y's are on the same side, you've got standard form. And then y equals mx plus b. This equation currently is written in standard form, but it's a line. So if I made it look like y equals mx plus b, then whatever number's in front of x is going to be the slope, and whatever number's at the end is going to be the y-intercept. So I'm going to go ahead and start solving for y. So step one is to move the x's to the other side. You're going to always do that by adding or subtracting. So since that's a positive 4x, I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides, leaving me with 6y on the left. On the right side, I have an option. I could write negative 5 minus 4x, or I could write negative 4x minus 5, but keeping in mind that the goal is to make it look like mx plus b, I'm going to put my x's first. So I'm going to write negative 4x minus 5. Finally, I want to get rid of multiply by 6, so I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And what I do to one side, I do to the entire other side. So these 6's cancel and y is going to be by itself, but this 6 belongs to each of the terms in the numerator. So this is negative 4x over 6 minus 5 over 6. Okay, so I'm going to have y, because canceled out. Then I'm going to have negative 4x over 6 minus 5 over 6. Just to finish it off, I want to simplify, and 2 fits into both 4 and 6, so that'll be negative 2/3. And the x can go out to the side, and then I have minus 5/6. So I have negative 2/3 x minus 5/6. The number in front of the x is the slope, so I know that negative 2/3 is my slope. And then the number at the end is my y-intercept, so it's going to cross the y-axis at negative 5/6. So slope again there is negative 2/3, and the y-intercept is negative 5/6.